brother-in-law, her brother, they arrived at a gas station I happened to be at, and he decided to holler out and say,
"Hey, hon, don't you want to take my sister out?" I was totally mortified.
And I looked over and I saw my future wife-to-be.
Looked at my brother like he was crazy.
And laughed and got in my car and drove away.
Perry laughed and drove off with his friend in the car.
She didn't appreciate that. That's just the way that went.
After that, it seemed like everywhere I went on post, now mind you, him and Perry were in the same unit, I saw him.
Later on, we went on our first date.
And I was leaning over his shoulder, watching to see how much money the man was giving him back.
I guess the reason I had to marry her was because she closed the door in my face.
He asked me for a kiss. I closed the door in his face.
After I asked for a goodnight kiss. So that was the first that had ever happened to me. So I said, yeah, I might have to marry this girl.
And then, as they say, the rest is history.
And 39 years and 364 days later, here we are.
Mommy, Daddy, I love you from the bottom of my heart.
We stand here today honoring you guys, thanking you for loving us unconditionally, supporting us continuously.
From the first time I set my eyes on you, I didn't know from the start. I didn't know how you turned my life around, or how in love I'd be with who you are.
Sharon, 39 years ago, 364 days, we made the decision to get married. In that time, we had 3 children. Traveled to different places and made homes in all of them. My wife, my shorty, my friend. The love we share hasn't always been smooth. But anything worth having is worth fighting for. You have been my ride or die, always by my side, through good and bad times. Sometimes you have to walk through the fire, but when you come out on the other side, your metal is stronger. You have the strongest metal, the love and devotion you showed me and the children shows your strength. Let's go for 40 more.
And I know, yes I know, I will last a storm.
40 years ago, we took a vow for better or for worse, richer or poor, in sickness and in health, not really understanding what those words meant or what the journey would lead us, or where the journey would lead us. Fast forward to now, there have been times when I believe the problems before us were too big to overcome, too painful to forgive. I have since learned that I love you and that is enough to overcome and forgive the broken promises of our past. I love you more today because of all we have been through and because of your willingness to move forward with new commitments. I promise to love you for the prize that you are. I promise to be there for you when you are sick, hurt, in need of comfort. Today I stand in front of our friends and family, and you, my husband, to promise to give you all the best of me for as long as we both shall live.
What it means to be loved, going along the way, I've come to say I love you. Thank you.